Chaos. It's chaos in Upland last night. Strong wind. Look at the sign was destroyed by the wind. Storage sign was destroyed. Strong wind last night. All the trees down in Upland. Strong wind casualties. Kacau. Gawat. The trees down, big trees down, hit the electrical pole, the power pole. Wow, total chaos. It's chaos. It's crazy, man. The trees down, total chaos last night in Upland. Strong wind. The trees down, hit the power pole. Power pole get destroyed. Wow, wow, wow. Trees down, smashed the car. Smashed down the car. It's really bad. Wow. Wow. Another car smashed down by the big trees. Oh, must be strong wind. So the tree was pulled up by crazy wind, man. 1, 2, 3 cars. Wow, wow. Look at that. Gila, gila. Crazy, man, crazy. Crazy wind. It's like a hurricane. Last night in SoCal, in Upland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. And actually the pickup truck belonged to landscaping guy. Now the guy cannot work because look at the pickup truck smashed down by big tree. Insane. Total insane. Another tree is down. And on this spot, luckily it's not damaged the car. It's not damaged any car. Oh, one car got hit by a tree. Insane. On 11th Street in Upland. The tree is blocked off. Blocked up by all the trees down. Many trees down. A lot of trees down. Blocked 11th Street in Upland. Oh man, another one down. Crazy, crazy. Busy morning in Upland. Is that your car?
Yeah, man.
Oh man. Sorry, man.
Oh, sorry.
This man cars got smashed by the tree. Oh man. Wow. It's busy day for safety of Upland. Another one here. Oh. You can see how strong the wind last night. The concrete was pulled out. Even the trees root was pulled out. Wow, crazy, magnificent, ugly wind. Mother Nature, ugly Mother Nature. Total chaos. It's like a hurricane, category 4 last night in Upland. The power pole is knocked off. Knocked off by the wind. Ugly wind. See how strong the wind are. Fucking crazy, man. Shit. God damn it.
30 of the 20 or 40 yeah.
Busy day, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry for the owner of the car. Sorry. Alright guys, that's all the video. See you in the next video. Stay safe.